Welcome to FRS Roofing Plus Gutters, your trusted choice for local roof replacement contractor in Arlington, Massachusetts. Is your roof showing signs of wear and tear, or perhaps it's no longer providing the protection your home needs? Don't wait. Call us today to discuss your roof replacement options. At FRS Roofing Plus Gutters, we understand the importance of a reliable roof. If your roof is damaged or no longer works as a necessary barrier, you must replace it to keep it working well and protect your investment in your home. When it comes to choosing a roofing contractor, experience matters. Our company boasts a stellar reputation and extensive experience in Arlington, Massachusetts. We are fully licensed and committed to delivering top-notch quality in every project we undertake. Your satisfaction and peace of mind are our top priorities. Trust us and our professionals for your new roof installation needs. Our dedicated team ensures your home is well protected and looking its best. Don't delay your roof replacement any longer. Call us at 781-322-6252 today. Visit our website at frsroof.com/roof-replacement/Arlington to learn more about our roofing services. FRS Roofing Plus Gutters, your Arlington, Massachusetts roofing experts. Invest in your home's future with a new roof. Contact us now for a consultation.